Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty and fragrance. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on a perfume that's been quite a conversation starter, Kilian's Rolling in Love Eau de Parfum. This unisex fragrance was launched in 2019, and it's known for its amber floral notes that give it a warm, luxurious feel. It's a scent that's designed to feel intimate, comforting, and a little bit romantic, which sounds perfect, right? But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. When you first spray Rolling in Love, you're immediately hit with a creamy, soft blend of almond milk and iris. The almond milk gives it this rich, velvety feel, while the iris adds a slightly powdery touch. It's almost like the perfect hug in a bottle, cozy and inviting, yet with a subtle sophistication. Then, as the fragrance settles, the freesia and tuberose begin to bloom, adding a delicate floral layer that never feels too overpowering. The base notes, which include vanilla, tonka bean, and musk, provide a warm and sensual foundation that lingers on the skin, leaving a soft but lasting trace. Now, how did it perform in real life? I've been wearing Rolling in Love for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it's been quite a versatile fragrance. It's elegant enough for an evening out, but still soft and approachable for day-to-day wear. The longevity is decent. I find that it lasts about 6 to 8 hours on my skin before it starts to fade, which is pretty solid for an amber floral fragrance. It's not one of those scents that will knock people over in the room, but it stays close to the skin, which I personally love. One thing to note is that this fragrance is fairly intimate, meaning it's not the bold, in-your-face kind of scent. Instead, it wraps you in a cocoon of warmth and comfort, almost like it's a scent for the wearer more than for everyone else around you. This can be a pro or a con, depending on what you're looking for in a fragrance. The packaging is as luxurious as you would expect from Kilian. The bottle feels heavy, elegant, and high-end, with its sleek design adding to the overall experience of using this fragrance. It's definitely a piece that you'd be proud to display on your vanity. Now, as with any product, there are a couple of things to consider. One of the potential downsides is the price. Kilian fragrances are on the pricier side, so if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you might want to explore other options. However, if you're someone who values quality and longevity in your perfumes, and you're willing to invest in a fragrance that feels luxurious, Rolling in Love could be a worthy splurge. In terms of value for money, I'd say that if you're drawn to softer, intimate fragrances with a touch of sophistication, the price is justifiable. But if you're looking for something with more projection or a sharper, more vibrant scent, you might want to look elsewhere. As for alternatives, I'd suggest considering fragrances like Chloe Eau de Parfum or Jo Malone's Wood Sage and Sea Salt, both of which offer a similarly smooth and elegant experience, though each has its own unique twist. Of course, they come with different price points, so if you're looking for something a little more affordable, these could be worth exploring. To wrap things up, Rolling in Love is a beautifully crafted fragrance that's perfect for someone who enjoys warm, comforting florals with a bit of sweetness. It's not overpowering, but definitely leaves an impression. And if you're a fan of softer, intimate scents, it's worth trying. If you're more into bold statement-making perfumes, this might not be your best fit. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other fragrance lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching today. If you've tried Rolling in Love, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Does it feel as cozy and luxurious to you as it does to me? And if you're interested in purchasing this fragrance, you can find the link in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.